A Masvingo-based EcoCash dealer was robbed of cash, airtime, and gadgets worth more than $7,000 in a violent midnight attack at his home near Mchegereng. Sarabena mashoko buda pangwa ine chinoka unzi EcoCash dealer pangwa ine oluza almost $7,000 to armed robbers. To subscribe or like on the bell. The incident occurred around 1 a.m. on Thursday when three suspected robbers, one armed with a pistol, another with a machete, and the third wielding a pickaxe, stormed the rented home of Shepherd Mtetwa. According to Mtetwa, the gang broke down the main door while he was asleep and confronted him in his bedroom. In course, they demanded money and ransacked the room. They took $5,000 in cash that was inside the bag, 1,100 worth of Econet airtime, 2 mobile phones, one of which had an urgent line with $538 and a laptop, he said. The robbers tied Mtetwa's hands with shoelaces before attempting to shoot a neighbor who had rushed to investigate the commotion. The neighbor fled and the suspects escaped before other residents could respond. Mtetwa, who sustained minor injuries, filed a report at Chikato police station. Masvingo police spokesperson Inspector Kudakwashe Dewa could not immediately comment as he was in a briefing when conducted. The robbery comes amid a surge in thefts and armed attacks in around Mucheke suburb in the recent months, sparking fears among residents about worsening crime in the area. No mashwarubuda pangwa ino matax arwitika mnyezima pangwa ino chonko kwanza awa this EcoCash dealer pangwa ini oluza property ino kwanza iri worth aiwa almost $7,000 lokuma armed robbers. Mashokarubuda pangwa ina arukuna kwanza awa munhu wese ange achita business rakasiyana siyana ya being urged awa to protect yourselves kuti pangwa ino everyone afana kusekiwa kana dziri mari dzake panenge pari safetions kana vachinge atakiwa kuti some action ikasire kuitiwa marobhas asati atiza aiwa nemabelongings evanhu. Tudze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section kuti mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.